Welcome again. Here in today's video we're going to talk about the MAONO Lavaliere mic. Currently this mic is not sponsored. I have not received this from the manufacturers. It's just my basic test I did on the sound quality as well as the sound test on the same mic. Thanks again for coming. Most of all, subscribe for this channel for content such as this, which includes tech and lifestyle videos. So currently this is the mics on the camera itself as you listen, so it may get some echoing or some noise background. So I'll do the test. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a test on the internal mics. Now this is the mics coming straight out of the Lavaliere mic here. As you hear, everything is good. Peter, picker, peppers. Did you hear any P plosives? Right, so that was the sound test. So here's my takeaway of what I thought about this. So far everything sounds crisp and clear. It's easy to set up. A lot of those features. However, next video coming up in this series based on this, as I said, sound is very important in content creation as well as video and YouTube. So also we cannot rely on the internal mics of our cameras or our smartphones. Well, thanks again for watching this video. If you found this very interesting, make sure you share, like, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. It goes a very long way. And thanks again. This is the View 868. Peace.